Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys how you can open zip files on your iPhone. So just type in files here and select the file and open up the folder where your zip file is. I'm just going to go to downloads here, and for instance I want to open this font zip file. So basically I'm just going to select it and it's going to unzip it for you. As you can see, here is the file that has been unzipped. This is the file that has all the fonts. It's still waiting, and as you can see, it unzipped the file for you. It is that simple. So if you downloaded anything in a zip form, just open it in your files and it will simply unzip it there. So that is it. That's how you can open zip files on your iPhone. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share. Also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that as well. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.